How to work with light groups in Blender. So hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will show you how to work with this new feature in Blender. You can find it in the latest stable version, which is 3.2. You can download it in the official website blender.org. So if you want to apply to this scene, you can download it in the link in description on Blender Market with another 36 scene Arch Viz. So let's get started. First of all, I have four light source in my scene. I have the lamp and the stir and the environment, and I have the sun. So I need to add each light to a separated layer. So to do that, I need to go to the view layer properties and it goes down to light groups, and I need to create 4 light groups. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I need to name it to be more organized. So I will name this environment, and the second I name it the sun, and the third lamp, and the fourth stir. Stir like this. And if I want to add each light to each layer, I need to select the lamp first and go to object properties. And in the shading option, I need to go down here and select the lamp. For the sun also, I need to select the sun. And for the stir, I need to select the stir. And for the environment, I need to go to the word properties, and in the settings, you find this light group option here and select the environment. Now I need to render my image and wait to the render to finish, and see you in the compositing process. Stay tuned. So now the render is finished. We need to go to the compositing node and start adding lights to each other. So first of all, as you see here in the render layers, we have 4 combined light sources. We have the environment layer, sun layer, lamp layer, and the stir. So first of all, I need to go to Shift A, color, and add the mix RGB here. Add the first environment light and the second sun light, and click Ctrl Shift to see the result. Like this. I think that control didn't work, so like this to work correctly. As you see here, we have a mix between environment and sun, but I need to do something, which is changing the blend mode to add, because I need to add the environment to the sun, and I need to do the same thing here for the lamp and the stir, like this, and combine with these 2 results also by duplicating this mix RGB and add this result here. And I have all the lights in my scene. So to control this intensity or brightness of these lamps, I need to add another node, which is exposure, like this, and duplicate it here for the sun, duplicate it for the lamp, and duplicate it for the stir. Select all these exposures and shift equal to make it a little bit organized. So if I want to turn off all these lights, I need to turn down the exposure to -10. Also for the sun -10, and for the exposure -10, and for the lamp -10, and the stir -10 also. So if I want to turn it on, I need to return this node to the default, which is 0, like this. For the sun 0, and for the lamp 0, and you will have the full control of your lights. Also, if you want to change the color of one of these lights, you need to add a color mix RGB, like this, and you change this blend mode to multiply, and like this you can change the color of your mood or your light. For example, for me, I will change the color of the environment and make it a little bit bluish, like this. It's look like night mood or sunset mood, and whatever color you want. So like this, we have full control of our lights. As you see here, for the final result, we have a lot of noise. So to fix that, we need to add a denoise filter node. So go Shift A, filter and denoise, and put it here before or after the final result. So like this, we have an denoised image. And if you want to denoise your normal, also your albedo, you can do this. And this is everything in this video. If you like this type of content, tips and tricks in Arch Viz, using new features in Blender, hit comment, like, and subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. And see you in the next one. Salam.